Good morning, everyone. We are now today we will start our next topic in number system, representing real numbers on number line. Now we will represent real number on number line. We already learned how to represent natural number, whole numbers, integers, and rational number on number line. Example: suppose it is number line. Everyone know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if I say represent any natural number on number line, suppose 3, represent 3 on number line, it is 3. Very simple. Same as what is whole number? If we add 0 in natural number, we will get whole numbers. So if I ask you represent 5 on number line, it is 5 and number. Next, integers. What is integers? All positive, negative and including 0 numbers are integer. -1, -2. So if I ask you represent -2 on number line, it is -2. Very simple. Next, real number. Real number represented by Q. So 3 real number, example 3.337 divided by 10, P by Q form, 3.7. Where is 3.7? Here is 3.7. We can represent same as it is irrational, and all irrational number is represented by I. So all numbers including integer, including rational and irrational is called real number. What is real numbers? So now we will represent how to represent real numbers on number lines. So let us see one example. First question of 1.4 exercise is visualize 3.765 on number line by successive magnifying. Magnifying means zoom. By magnifying glass. When every time when we use magnifying glass, numbers, our pictures is zoomed or not? Yes. So 3.76. It is very simple. Take a number line. First number line, and we will take a single digit. First 3 point something, and tell me 3 point something between 3 point something. So 3 point something is lies between 3 and 4. 3.7, only one digit. So 3.7 between 3 and 4, and so divide 3 to 4 in 10 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. It is 3.7. It is 3.8. It is 3.9. Understand? But you will use scales and give the equally gap between 3 to 4, because we know in a scales from 3 centimeter to 4 centimeter, how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. So it is 3.7, it is 3.8. Now next number 3.7, we already denoted, it is 3.7. Next 3.76, 3.76. Now 3.76 between 3.70 and 3.80. It is not 3.76 is between 3.70 or not 3.80 between, isn't it? You don't understand? So it is 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 7.74, 3.75, 3.76. So now 3 point. So it means 3 point. Where is 3.7? 3.7 or 3.70. You can write 3.7. Why? Because 3.70. Remove decimal. 100. 0 cut by 0. It means 3.70 or 3.7. Both are equal. So now it is 3 point. Now like this one we will zoom in. Like this one. Now take again number line. It is 3.7. It is 3.8. Now again 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means 3.7. Next is 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75. It is 3.76. Next, it is 3.77, 3.78, 3.89. So where is 3. Now we already got 3.76. It is 3.76. Next, one more digit, 3.765. It is lies between 3.76, 762, 3.770. Yes, it is between or not? 760, 770. 765 lies between these two numbers or not? Yes. So again we will represent what is number 3.76. 3.76 it is. Now 3.77 like this one. So again very simple question this one. Every time we will magnify 3.76. It is 3.77. Now after this one divide in 10 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will use scales and with give proper gap between two numbers. 3. That is 3.760, 3.762. Now 3.763, 3.764. It is 3.765. What we represent this one? Next 3.767. So where is number? This is 3.765. Do you understand? Yes. Maybe in question given 3.765. One more number is given. Suppose 8. So now this number is between 3.7650 to 3.765. After 50 what is come? 60. So between this. So again we will zooming these two numbers like this one. So same process in this very simple questions. So this one only zooming like this one. Do you understand? Again I am repeating. First we take 3 point something. So 3 point something between 3 and 4. So between we take 3 and 4. Which means 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.2 like this one up to 10. So what is 3.7? So first we will find where is 3.7. It is 3.7. Next, after 3.7 what is 3.76? It means 3.76. So 76 between 70 and 80. So 3.70, 3.80. So now it is 3.7. Here we will zooming this one. Zoom this number. Only this space we zoomed in a number line. It is zoomed. So 3.71, 3.72, 3.73 like this one. And what is 3.76? It is 3.76. Next number we check it. What is 3.765? So tell me 765 between 760 to 770. So it is zooming again 3.76, 3.7. So now 3.76 and like. Do you understand? I hope everyone understand. And second question, do yourself everyone. Two more questions for your homework. You will represent in your fair notebook. First is represent 2.37 bar up to 4 decimal 4 decimal. Now you will ask sir, here is only bar is given only on 7. Now you are asked sir, here is only given on here is given after decimal only 2 digits, but you are asking 4 decimal, so you can write 2.37. And what is repeating? 7 to represent this. Understand? Next, second part, 5.48 up to 5 decimal. Represent 5.48 bar. Bar on 48. Represent up to 5. It means 5.48. After 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is? Do you understand? I hope everyone is understand. And you can take any time problem on my WhatsApp number. You ask me anyone. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.